Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channels once again. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the chicken waste or the chicken poo as it's being called. Generally, we call it poultry manure. Chicken or poultry manure is an excellent source of nutrients. Its nitrogen and phosphorus content is at least twice as high as that of other farms manure such as cow manure. Some of the benefits of this chicken manure are as a non-synthetic organic fertilizer. Chicken manure has numerous benefits. It is a complete fertilizer that contains the potassium as well as important micronutrients such as calcium needed for healthy plant growth. Chicken manure is more than a fertilizer. It is a good soil amendment. It adds organic matter to the soil, which improves soil structure, moisture holding, drainage capability. Also, soil high in organic matter is less prone to erosion and retain fertilizer better. Another benefit of chicken manure is that it feeds soil microorganisms, especially a bacterium causing disease or fermentation, allowing organic nutrients to break down faster, which in turn makes them available to plants more quickly. Guys, how have you been disposing your manure? This manure is something that you can also be doing by making another money of or cash for yourself as you're farming. This manure is very important to crop farmers. We have farms that sells this manure to make income, but some of us get this manure, we even pay to dispose it. We have lots of people looking for where to get this manure from. All you need to do is to leave that your comfort zone, try and locate the people that needs it, so as for you to supply them. The chicken manure, it's very important. Some farms, they have a department where they drop all the chicken poo. You can see in our own farm, we have a special place where we call the buffer zone, where we drop all the manures, where you see vehicles and cars and trucks that comes all from different parts of the country to buy the manure. You can see them in their various bags. They are being aged, and they will be aged for the period of 4 to 5 weeks before putting in another bag, so as for the vehicles to be able to convey them to their different destination for usage. It is advisable you aged your manure because the raw manure has up to like 76 to 75% of water, and the odor is very high at this stage. So it is best you aged them, so when they get dry, they are almost odorless and easier to convey without much weight. When compared to more conventional fertilizer, manure properly applied to land has the potential to provide environmental benefits, including increased soil carbon and reduced atmospheric carbon level. It also reduces soil erosion and runoff. These are some of the benefits of the manure. So we should not just throw away our manure. Some of us throw them away because we don't know the importance of the manure. All you need to do is to locate the crop farmers in your area. No matter how far these farmers are, they prefer buying chicken manure. Where in some farms, they always mix this chicken manure with the sawdust, that is the wood shavings. And mixing it with wood shaving reduces the odor and it enables it to dry off on time. And a bag of this manure is being sold at the rate of 1,200 naira. This is another means of you making money. If you have up to like 1 acre to 2 acres of land or a plot of land, you can try and get a place far from where your chicken house is and be pouring this manure in order for you to sell to the crop farmers.